Good evening, everyone. Welcome to an impromptu live session again, and I will be answering few of the frequently asked questions that are common to all of us, and irrespective of our age, irrespective of which phase we are going through. These are few questions that have been asked commonly, and I keep getting frequently on DMs, emails, WhatsApp messages, so many places. So, what is that today we are going to talk about? Many a times what happens is we're not being able to consistent, and whether it's students or college students or school students or working professionals, people who are at home, anybody for that matter, many a times what happens is we feel that we are not consistent and our energy levels are not the same every day. And why is that people keep questioning me, and most of the times what happens is they don't know why this is happening, and there is no much of clarity on their thoughts. That's the reason why this inconsistency is happening. And people ask me and tell me that I see your videos, I get motivated, I do it for a day or two, and then my whole energy goes down. Again read a lot of books, watch a lot of videos, podcast, talk to people, and still that energy level just stays for a day or two, and later what happens is it goes back to ground zero, and again I am on the ground zero level. So what I personally answer to all these people is one standard answer, one standard thought. Why do we be inconsistent? Why are we not having the same kind of motivation every day? Because one, there is no clear vision on what you want to do, or what you want to achieve in your personal or professional life. That is very, very important for us. Only this vision, this is the only answer I could give to people. When you have a clear vision as to what you want, by when you want, and how it needs to be done, you will know what to go about and how to look forward for the day, or how to plan your day, or what you want to do. So having a clear vision, say if somebody wants to lose weight, like 10 kgs or 20 kgs, they can't just randomly think that, okay, I need to lose weight. No, that will not going to work. That is not going to motivate them every day. They have to have something very, very specific, something very, very realistic. So they could say that in this month I'm going to lose 3 kgs. So in the month of September I'm going to lose 3 kgs or 4 kgs. So that will push them to get up and work towards it every day. And that will also push them to do better things in their life, to ensure that the weight is in shape, their body is in shape, what they are eating, what they are doing, they are mindful of that. If you don't have a clear vision, then it is very, very difficult for your own mind to actually get up and do things in your life. It could be simple as something in your professional life or in your personal. Any kind of goals will, or any kind of thought that you want to achieve, or some dreams if you want to achieve, you need to have a clear vision of the dream. You need to know that having a clear vision will actually impact your everyday small steps that you take in life. So it is very, very important that as individuals who want to dream, who want to have a success in our life, who want to feel that, okay, I have achieved something in my life, please have a dream. Write your dreams in a paper. Writing in a paper gives so much of affirmations to you as well as to your mind. Not just the emotional part of you, but also to the logical part of you. So it is very, very important that you write down what is your vision. Say, I am on a mission right now. By end of this year 2020, I have 3 big tasks to be completed. That is, 1, my website needs to be up. 2, I need to complete like 100 one-on-one coachings with people or group coachings, and I need to finish so many number of videos. So it is very, very important that we as individuals have clear vision that by this time I need to have this. So what happens is you have an answer, you have something to go about with, or to work towards with. So when you do that, you know what you want to do in life, what you want to get in life, and that itself will be the biggest motivation and your biggest push every day to go ahead in this life. So Consistency is the key. We all know we want to do everything every day. But to pull up your energy every day in the morning, get up and do everything, you got to write down your vision, write down your goals, write down what you want in life clearly, very specific. Do it in your present tense, like how you're going to be, how you will be feeling. Yes, I am losing weight. Yes, I am achieving the baby steps, the small steps that I am taking. So it is very, very important that we all, if we want to achieve something or if you want to do something, it could be anything as small as something in your personal life or a professional life, it could be anything. Have a vision, have clarity in your thoughts, and please write down everything that you're thinking. When you put everything in paper, it makes more sense. Just try this, and I'm sure within a month, all your clarity, all your confusion, and all your thoughts that I'm not consistent, my energy levels keeps wavering, everything will settle down. You will be able to get up with a purpose, get up with something that will mean to you, because that is more important. It needs to resonate with who you are, what you're looking forward, what you're doing in your life, the whole purpose of your life should actually resonate with the whole core values that you have. So it is very, very important that we all write it down. I write it down every day. Every day I look for it, even if it is the same thing, I write down every day because it gives kind of a strength to me. It gives kind of an affirmation to me. So I would request everybody who feels that every day my energies are changing, someday I'm down, someday I'm up, please do write these kinds of affirmations. Have a clear vision, clear goal as to what you want to do. It could be small, big, doesn't matter at all. Goal is a goal with what you want to be in life. That is more than enough. That is most satisfying thing. So please do write it down, and once you write it down, I am sure 100% that it is going to make a lot of difference in your life, and I'm sure you will come back to me saying this was really, really beneficial. Take a paper and pen today, and I want all of you to write your goal, your vision in life, and read that every day, no matter what. If you can't read, just record it as a voice message in your mobile and listen to it frequently. Whenever you're down, just listen to it. If you are listening to some random music which is not connecting you, listen to your own voice, your own words, and I'm sure it's going to help you the most, help you really, really make a difference in your life. So I'm sure this video is helpful for you. Please do share. Please let people know just through your one click how people are changing their lives. Please do follow us and let us know your feedback, your questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you and have a great day.